The Power Team Perfect Vacuum Cleaner is a remarkable new machine manufactured to match the efficiency, durability, and reliability of the classic vacuum models. The Perfect Canister vacuum includes a crevice tool, combination dusting and upholstery tool with an easy and smooth reversibility function, a 12-inch floor brush, and an air-driven stair tool. This machine offers superior suction with an L-shaped power nozzle and also comes with a new HEPA filtration bag. The Perfect has a durable metal body and a reverse suction feature that can be utilized to facilitate the use of air mattresses and other inflatable products. The Perfect vacuum cleaner allows for maximum comfort and efficiency, just like the Electrolux you grew up with.